Hi guys, hope you're having a good Tuesday so far. We are back in our laboratory, so over to you, Laura.
Hi guys, we've had quite a few questions asking how much resin approximately do we think the Agate Coaster Mould Set needs. So we thought we'd just have a go at this today just to give you an idea if you're wondering how much resin it's going to take for these 4 moulds. So obviously I've just mixed up the ArtResin. So I've mixed up, at the moment, whether you can see that it's 300 millilitres, which is approximately 10 ounces of resin. So 150 millilitres of the resin and 150 millilitres of the hardener, because that's what's great about ArtResin. Obviously using ArtResin, because that's what's great about it, is 1-to-1 ratio. So it's quite easy if you're just starting out to get mixing with this, because it is 1-to-1. So I've mixed equal amount of parts of it, just to show you how much resin it takes.
So how much was it again, Laura?
So I've mixed up to now 300 millilitres, which is 10 ounces. Now if you look at this is the starter kit from ArtResin. Obviously you've got your gallon kits as well, but the starter kit it's just under a litre, which is 946 millilitres. So it's, you know, a litre's 1,000, so it's about, and it's 32 ounces. So we estimate that approximately you're going to need about a third of this kit. So if you're buying our starter kits or this starter resin kit, you're going to get at least 3 sets of coasters, if not more, out of it, because you're using about a third. We would save the bottle every time you've poured 1 set of our Agate coasters. So we'll run through the amounts of the mixture again. So obviously I've mixed it for 3 minutes really well, and that's what's great about ArtResin as well, is it's non-yellowing, self-leveling, and it's 1-to-1, so we found it really easy to work with, because it's just nice and easy. You're just pouring equal parts. I poured 150 of the resin, 150 millilitres of the hardener to make 300, and mixed for 3 minutes, scraping the sides and the bottom. So we've got our...
And we offer it on the website, don't we?
Yeah.
ArtResin.
So we've got our amethyst rubber glitter, pink sapphire rubber glitter, and rose quartz. So I'm going to just mix this up now and just show you in the coasters to show you about how much you're going to need. Okay, so as you can see, it's possibly even slightly a little bit too much. You'd probably get something else that you could make out of that. So that was in total 300 millilitres of resin, which is 10 ounces. So it's completed the set of Agate coasters, but even then you'd possibly have some left over to make something else with. So if you get in the starter kit, you're going to make at least more than 3 sets of full Agate coasters and more. So just to give you an idea of approximately how much resin you're going to need. Thank you.